So we are at the Hilton Garden Inn, Tampa Westshore, which is going to be really close to the Tampa Bay Airport. This is going to be our front door. When you first come in and turn to the left, we have 1, 2, 3 drawers and a safe down there. Looks like we're going to have 7 coat hangers. We do have an iron plus an ironing board. Over here we have a coffee maker. There are 2 bottles of water, $3 a pop unless you are diamond, gold, or silver. That's going to be free. There is a microwave. Down here in the bottom is a fridge. Is it a mini bar? Nope. It is going to be a refrigerator. So nice little mini fridge there. To the right, we do have a full-length mirror to check your outfit for the day. And here we're going to have the restroom. Let's get a light on. Boom. Standard toilet. We're going to have a shower with 0 shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Looks like a massage shower head. Plenty of towels over here. Does have a bath, but no jets. Single sink with, again, 0 soap and some makeup remover wipes. Tissue, body lotion. A couple of power outlets and some shelving here, as well as some hand towels there. Then we're going to move into the main room. Over here on the left, there's going to be a little seating area with some storage underneath. There are going to be 2 cabinets here with 2 shelves there, 2 shelves there. We have an LG TV. It looks to be about, 42 inches, not crazy. Desk with a little chair for some working areas. We're going to have 2 outlets plus 2 USBs, as well as 2 more outlets over there. Coming over to this side, we have a chair with a little table. And then 2 queen beds. Look pretty comfortable. Let's see. Yeah, they feel pretty comfortable. I will say this room feels pretty new. Let's check out the artwork. You know what these look like? Remember those Magic Eye 3D things where you made your eyes go out of focus? That's kind of what that reminds me of. But anyway, single end table. It's going to be shared with, check out all this power. 1, 2, 3, 4 standard plus 4 USB. Telephone for those who care to make a telephone. And then back to the front, we are going to have our thermostat, which goes to 62 degrees. Let's go. Yeah, overall, really impressed. If you have a layover at the Tampa Airport, or if you just get stuck at the Tampa Airport, not a bad little place here. Let me know if you're interested in any questions about the Hilton Garden Inn here in Tampa. Let me know if you stayed here before, what you thought. Make sure you stay subscribed for all of our future hotel and travel adventures. Till next time, we'll see you.